Welcome to my channel. Wavlink Wi-Fi Extender Setup. Connect, configure, and go. 1. Plug it in right. First thing, don't overthink it. Plug the extender into a wall outlet halfway between your router and the dead zone. Not behind a couch, not in a corner. Open spot. That's where it breathes. 2. Reset before setup. If you tried earlier and it failed, hold the reset button for 10 seconds. Wipe it clean. Starting fresh avoids 90% of connection errors. 3. Use WPS button. Fastest way. If your router has a WPS button, use it. Press the WPS on your router, then the WPS on the Wavlink. Wait for lights to stabilize. Done. That's the easiest Wavlink Wi-Fi extender setup method. 4. Manual login method. No WPS? Fine. Connect your phone or laptop to the Wavlink network, usually named Wavlink Ext. Then open a browser, type wifi.wavlink.com. That's where you log in and do the config. 5. Correct password matters. Here's a dumb one but happens a lot. Make sure you type your router's Wi-Fi password exactly right. Capitals, symbols, all of it. Wrong password equals setup fail. 6. Firmware update check. Sometimes the extender runs buggy out of the box. Log into the portal, check for firmware updates. Install if available. That alone fixes random dropouts. 7. Placement test. After setup, walk around with your phone and check signal. If the extender signal's weak, move it closer to the router. Don't expect miracles if it's too far. 8. Avoid Wi-Fi interference. Microwaves, cordless phones, thick walls, all killers of Wi-Fi range. If the extender's near any of those, shift it. A clean path gives better speed. 9. Change the SSID name. By default, the extender copies your Wi-Fi name with _ext. Rename it. Example, home_ext. Makes it easier to connect and know which one you're on. 10. Reboot after setup. Last step. After config, reboot the extender once. Just pull it out, plug back in. Refreshes the system and locks settings in. Thanks for watching.